the market now has an ear, an eye for companies that are talking about associating themselves with crypto assets, or amassing a war chest of digital assets, and even trying to use blockchain to of late we've seen stock like NVVE. That's what we're talking about here. It says here, let's see here. It says it engaged multiple digital asset advisory consultants to expedite the growth of its newly formed subsidiary, Nuvve Digital Assets. Yeah, so in any way, shape, or form, you can even get a company that has a lot of stocks. You probably know that are completely dead right now. If these companies ever should associate themselves with amassing a war chest, or just saying anything of that sort of nature, those dead stocks will definitely arise, and you and I will be watching them. So yeah, that's amongst other things what is definitely behind this gain that NVVE printed in this today's trading session. Still active in this post market session. Nothing is okay, yeah, but some retracements are expected in the near term. Let's see now. Okay, you can see the stock is trading right outside of its price channel. So going by this, it's you could say that there's a good chance it may continue to print high highs, but at the same time, naturally, what happens is that it will naturally come back into the price channel. That is probably what is behind this retracement, this extrapolation of the price, back down into what will probably be its price channel. So we have here 2.76. Let's compare with what we have here. Yeah, the upper line of this price channel is upper line is 224. So 2.76. This is 2.7. So still wouldn't be back into the price channel. So I guess there is a disparity in the yeah, there's a disparity here. But it's just the data points are the values are not aligning, but the concept is the theory is still very much intact. That it's expected to contract, and you can see how expanded the price channel looks. With a gaping mouth. Yeah, expecting the price to come back in. Let's have a look and see what the projections are saying for NVVE. We have 1.33. It's a downward projection, not into the upside. Okay, let's have a look at its daily chart. Okay, let's see. Let's expand this. Okay, yeah, yeah. Higher highs are expected to come back in to play into the stock. Underlying trend is a bearish one. So yeah, give it this is today's spike, and in the coming sessions, this is what is extrapolated. A steep push to the upside is what what is extrapolated here. You can see expected to be picking up demand from its each time it gets to its 10 period moving average, or 10-day moving average. So it's a bullish outlook for bullish extrapolation for NVVE in the coming days up till Tuesday the 24th of June. Okay. Okay, fingers crossed. Let's see if that's going to work out. Who knows? Maybe the algos have digested this news and felt that yeah, maybe we have to extrapolate to the upside. So let's see NXTT. Let's see NXTT. Is that what we have? Yeah, NXTT as well. Yeah, extrapolation to the upside as well. Let's quickly find what's going on here. NXTT. Okay, nothing. There might be some news here. Let's see. Next Technology Holdings Inc., a company specialized in AI-enabled software development services. Okay, you can see that digital asset investment. You can see that. Yeah, released 10 from 10Q. Let's see. Let's see. Yeah, let's see. Okay, you can see that. Yeah, business highlights, Bitcoin acquisition strategy. Yeah. I said it. I didn't know about this. Continues to focus on Bitcoin acquisition strategy, which involves acquiring Bitcoin liquid assets exceeding working capital requirements. The company views its Bitcoin holdings as a long term investment and expects to continue accumulating Bitcoin, monitoring market conditions for potential additional financing to purchase more Bitcoin. This is a stock to watch. Come back tomorrow. Come back Monday and keep watching this. Come back Monday and keep watching this stock. Yeah, extrapolation to the upside. Just as we saw with the other stock and NVVE. So yeah, it's what we are talking about. Let's get the projections. Let's see. We have down projection here, nothing to the upside. Okay, so higher prices are expected. You can see it's already printing higher prices, 3.4 now in this post market session. Yeah, let's quickly have a look and see. This is it's trading right outside of its price channel. So in this case now, it's not okay. This is the 4 hour chart. Okay, we're not we have to look at the 4 hour chart here on the trading view to see what it's saying, whether they are in alignment. Let's especially the values. Yeah, okay. Here it's saying that it's going to come back into the price channel. So yes, it's expected to come back into this channel. So and not projecting just like on the other stock. It's not projecting a steep a V bottom, a V reversal. It's not projecting a sharp reversal. It's just a modest contraction. Maybe mindful of how things are. So with high prices being printed, the value, the trough of the extrapolation is gets high as well. So it's still insisting that it's going to contract, but still to the upside. You know, extending the range upwards. Yeah. So this is what has been for given what's going on. Volatility, okay, see 1,058%. A huge volatility expansion. Contraction is not expected. So yeah, we know it's a digital. They're pivoting on going towards acquiring digital assets, Bitcoin. You saw that yourself. So it's what we have to be watching out for. Companies, stocks. I mean, I just as I was saying, just dead stocks, dead stocks. You can see that. You can see it was a dead stock. Since it was a dead stock, it's 0 point something dollars, and so it's a way out for a lot of companies. Some of them can't continue to argue and say all this bullshit. Keep on. Sorry for my language. Some of them can't keep on, telling us some of these because a lot of people are holding some really dead stocks. They are holding them, because they bought them, maybe a couple of years ago, thinking that they were going to balloon or something like that. But there's a way out now. Companies can't continue to tell the same old story and yeah, and using all sorts of safe harbor loopholes to do all sorts of things. Yeah, just get that money out and go for digital asset treasuries and get things going. We've seen what's going on now. Yeah, so let's see what we have in terms of projections on NXX and NXTT. Let's see. No, nothing to the upside. It's a downward projection, 0.4158. Yeah, so yes, see what you make of these two stocks. See what you make of them. Just keep your eye on them. The algos here are not. They don't think, even though if we are seeing a retraction, an extrapolation to the downside, but it's not a complete reversal. But at the same time, we have to be careful. These extrapolations are highly unstable, highly unstable. Tomorrow you may come on Monday, you may come here and you see that this is not the case anymore. It will just be a reversal to the lows of around $0.4. So I've seen that already myself with ASST. We saw yesterday extrapolation infinitely to the upside, and then today now it's totally a different picture. So, but it's interesting to watch these stocks because it can present a buying opportunity. It can present a buying opportunity, but now this is a lot already, so you have to be careful. So this is expected to come back into the price channel. But if it does come back, who knows whether they will pump it again. Yeah. So just have a look and see what you make of these two stocks, NVVE and NXTT. And thank you very much for watching this video.